What if one engine could carry the weight of a nation's farms? For many farmers in the late 20th century, that engine was the Cummins 855 Big Cam. It didn't just power tractors, it powered an entire way of life. Cold mornings, endless fields, long harvest seasons. The Big Cam kept going when everything else gave out. But what made this diesel so different, so dependable, that farmers, truckers, and mechanics still talk about it decades later? Today, we uncover the story of the diesel that changed American farming forever. By the 1970s and 80s, American farming was changing faster than ever before. Farm sizes were growing. Between 1970 and 1985, the average U.S. farm jumped by nearly 30%. Farmers weren't just feeding their towns anymore, they were feeding the world. But with bigger fields came bigger challenges. The 1973 oil crisis sent diesel prices skyrocketing, and suddenly efficiency mattered as much as horsepower. One farm magazine headline in 1974 warned, "The age of cheap diesel is over." Farmers needed tractors that could work longer hours, burn less fuel, and survive the hardest seasons without giving up. And in that moment of uncertainty, a new kind of engine was about to arrive, one that promised both power and endurance. That answer came from Cummins, a company already known for heavy-duty diesels in trucks and machinery. In the late 70s, they introduced a new evolution of their proven 855 cubic inch engine, the Big Cam. The name wasn't just marketing. This engine featured a redesigned, oversized camshaft that made it breathe more efficiently, delivering stronger torque and cleaner combustion. Earlier models had struggled with emissions and fuel use, but the Big Cam solved those problems in a way farmers immediately noticed. It pulled harder at lower RPMs, used less fuel per acre, and ran smoother under heavy loads. The Big Cam 3, released in the early 80s, became the most famous of the line. Stronger internals, improved fuel timing, and a durability that left competitors scrambling. Farmers called it the Torque King, because when other engines bogged down, the 855 just kept pulling. It wasn't sleek, it wasn't quiet. But it was exactly what farming in that era demanded: raw strength with surprising efficiency. Out in the fields, the Cummins 855 Big Cam quickly proved why it was different. Farmers loved it for one simple reason: it just wouldn't quit. With routine care, oil, filters, and fuel, these engines regularly ran 20,000 hours or more before needing major work. Some farmers even joked that the tractor would fall apart around the engine before the Big Cam ever gave out. It wasn't just the longevity. The Big Cam was easy to live with. No complicated electronics, no systems that needed a computer to fix. A skilled farmer with a wrench and a good light could keep it running season after season. That meant less downtime, fewer expensive trips to the dealer, and more money saved when margins were already thin. And then there was the torque. Farmers hooked these engines to massive plows, grain carts, and seeders, and the 855 just kept pulling. It turned long, back-breaking days into something manageable, a partner farmers could trust when everything else was on the line. The legend of the 855 Big Cam didn't stop at the farm gate. This engine became a workhorse in long-haul trucks, construction machines, and even buses. Truckers praised its steady pull on steep grades, while construction crews counted on it to power bulldozers and scrapers through brutal shifts. That cross-industry presence only added to its reputation among farmers. Because if an engine could haul freight coast to coast, or move mountains of dirt on a job site, then it was more than capable of pulling a plow through Iowa soil. Its versatility also meant that parts were everywhere. Mechanics who worked on trucks already knew the engine inside and out, making service easier and cheaper for farmers. And when an engine crossed over into multiple industries, It sent a clear message. This wasn't just a tractor engine. It was an industrial powerhouse. Whether it was in a Steiger tractor in North Dakota or a Peterbilt rolling down the interstate, the 855 Big Cam was proving itself as one of the most dependable diesels of its generation. Of course, no engine is perfect, and the Cummins 855 Big Cam had its drawbacks. For one, it was a heavy engine. That extra weight meant it wasn't suited for every tractor or every farm. And while it was more fuel efficient than earlier designs, it was still a big-bore diesel. Under heavy loads, it could drink fuel faster than some farmers liked. Then there was the complexity of size. When the Big Cam needed a full overhaul, it wasn't a quick job. Pulling an 855 apart took time, equipment, and money. But most farmers agreed it was worth it once the work was done. And like any engine with a long production run, some versions were better than others. Farmers usually swore by the Big Cam 3, while earlier models earned a more mixed reputation. But even with those criticisms, the consensus was clear. When properly cared for, the 855 outworked almost everything else in its class. Decades later, the Cummins 855 Big Cam still carries the reputation it earned in the fields, and not many engines can claim that kind of staying power. Farmers who ran them in the 80s and 90s still call it one of the most trustworthy engines ever built. They'll tell you about seasons when every other machine was sidelined, but the Big Cam kept going. For many, that wasn't just convenience. It was the difference between getting a crop out on time or losing an entire harvest. At farm auctions today, tractors with a Big Cam under the hood still draw attention. Buyers don't expect a shiny machine. They know the paint may be faded, the cab outdated, but the engine inside still has life left. Some bidders even say they're not buying the tractor. They're buying the Big Cam. And that says everything about the respect it commands. Beyond the farm, the trucking world still talks about it. Mechanics remember how forgiving it was. Push it hard, run it long, and it just kept working. It had a kind of mechanical honesty modern engines sometimes lack. No sensors shutting you down. No computers getting in the way. Just displacement, steel, and torque. And that's why the Big Cam's legacy lives on. It wasn't built to impress with numbers on a brochure. It was built to earn trust in the field. For many, it wasn't just an engine. It was a lifeline, a machine that kept farms afloat, got crops planted on time, and proved that real power wasn't about luxury. It was about endurance. The Cummins 855 Big Cam wasn't flashy, and it wasn't perfect. But it became something far more important. A diesel farmers could count on when everything else was uncertain. Through fuel crises, long harvests, and tough economic years, this engine carried American farming on its back. It also powered trucks, construction machines, and buses, proving it was more than just a tractor engine. It was a workhorse that built trust across industries. Engines like the Big Cam remind us that farming has never been about luxury or comfort. It's about reliability, about machines that show up every morning ready to work. And decades later, the Big Cam is still remembered as one of those engines, the kind that defined an era and set the standard for what durability really means. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the diesel that changed American farming forever, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow tractor fans, and subscribe for more stories of the machines that shaped agriculture. And now we want to hear from you. Did you, or someone you know, run a Cummins 855 Big Cam? Share your stories in the comments below.